Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. Please excuse the poor sound, bit of a echoey room, but just wanted to give you an update because it has been a while. Right, not a lot has happened. Uh, there's the update. Thank you very much and goodbye. No, so we've got the engine mounts done. So physically that's where we're at. The next stage is try and make the motor work with the inverter. So obviously that being all BMW stuff, it's not going to work without the BMW around it and all the sensors telling it what's going on and what's happening and whatnot. So anyone that's into EV conversions on YouTube should know Damien Maguire if you don't look him up. So he, along with Johannes Hubner, who's also on YouTube, have developed a board which will go into the inverter to replace the BMW board, and then that should make everything work with their own firmware. So that's going to be the first bit in the new year, is to set up a rig where I've got a couple of batteries, not the whole lot, just a couple. Solder the new board. The board's got some soldering and needs doing to it. Get that placed into the inverter and replace the BMW board. Download the firmware onto my laptop initially. Get everything working, and then once it's working, then I'll put it onto an Arduino, or the firmware onto an Arduino, and then get it working off of that as well. So once I can do that and I can get the motor spinning, then I'll be really happy then to move on to the rest of the project. But I think that's got to be the focus in the new year, is get that motor spinning with our own inputs. Okay, so that's going to be quite exciting, but as with everything, you know, life sometimes just gets in the way a bit and you get a bit busy. But that's what's happened. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you to everyone that's subscribed. If anyone hasn't subscribed, please do. You know, it's always nice to have new people and to know how many people we're reaching and where they are. So most people generally seem to be reaching us from the UK and the United States. So that's good. Anything else to say? Not really. Have a Merry Christmas and we'll see you in the new year. Take care.